Hi Jurassic Cuties! Today we're going to draw a baby owl, so let's get started. To draw this owl, we're going to first start by drawing its head. So I'm just going to start and draw a big curve. So the head shape is kind of like a big dumpling. So it's just a big wide curve. I'm going to start to come down on both sides. So just build it slowly. And then I'm just going to bring it down more. Nice and wide and round. So we're giving this owl a really big head. Make it extra cute. So about right there, we're just going to bring it in a little bit more. And just kind of try and match it at the same level. And come back. So something like that for the head we can start with. And then let's come back in here. So say about right here, and I'm going to start to draw a curve really close to the edge of this, and I'm going to come to the center. So let's see here, about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point for the center. But right here is where it's going to peak, so just make it a little bit easier. I'm just going to start right here towards the edge, go all the way around, and then we're going to aim to come back here. Nice and round, come back right here. So that's your center. And so you can start down here, you can start up here, whichever is easier for you. Or you can come up here and start at this center point. And so same thing, you just want to go up. And all the way towards the edge, just like the other side. So it's just see which way you like better. And we're going to come right down close to the edge. And so from there, we're going to connect it. So we're going to come to the center once again. So this is our center about right here. And we're just going to go up a tiny bit and come back down. Just give it a slight curve. There. Fix my curve here a little bit, make it a little bit rounder. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this cute owl to life. I'm going to come in the center, about right here towards the bottom, and I'm just going to draw, you know what, I think it'd be easier if I draw the eye first. Sorry. Let's come over here, and I'm just going to add a big circle for the eye. Let's get the eyes out of the way first. So I'm just going to draw a big old circle for the eye. So same thing on this side, right there. And once again, towards the edge. Big circle. Okay, so then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with one bigger highlight. So it's just going to be a bigger circle. And a slightly smaller one. And then a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So if you've been following me, I drew an owl many years ago. So hopefully you guys still love that owl and you'll love this one too. This one is just, I think, a little bit more cuter. It has a bigger head, bigger eyes. So that's why I'm calling it the baby owl. It's new and improved, hopefully. And then the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Just going to give it a bigger highlight. And a slightly smaller one. Okay, and the lines at the bottom. There, the eyes in, so now we can draw the beak. So I'm going to come right in between the eye and just draw a curve and connect it with like a wide V. There. And then if you want, you can add little ears here if you want. So if you do want to do that, come about right here. I'm just going to add a little curve and bring it down. So same thing on this side. And just curve it down. There. So then now let's draw a little body. So bring this in a tiny bit more. Just kind of centered a little bit on both sides. And from there I'm going to draw a wing. So I'm going to come about right here. It's kind of like drawing a leaf and bring it right back up. So let's do the same thing on this side. So we're just going to drag a point across so I know I'm about the same level. And once again, bring it back up. From there, I'm going to draw the body. So I'm going to come down right here, just come in a little bit, and we're just going to basically draw a curve all the way back here. Show a short little curve all the way around. And back right there, nice and round. And then let's come for some detail right here. Add a little curve, and then this is, imagine this going through. So then about right here, I'm going to continue. And I'll just add a little curve here and there, zigzag, and bring it in. So same thing on this side, just indication of the feathers if you want. And then the feet, so I'm going to put them right here, just very simple 3 curves. Back in, and same thing on this side. 1, 2, and 3. And then you can add some curves right here to indicate feathers. And I'm going to add a little heart right here because it's my Draw So Cute owl, of course. And just add a tiny little curve right here above the eye. So there, that's pretty much for this little baby owl. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.